Hello everyone, in this presentation we are going to see about solar cell and types of solar cell. Solar cell is a solid state electrical device which converts the energy of light coming from the sun directly into electricity by photoelectric effect. Solar cell is also known as photovoltaic cell or photoelectric cell. It supplies a voltage and a current to a resistive load. For an example, light battery motor. It is like a battery because it supplies DC power. Next, types of solar cell. Based on the types of crystal used, solar cell divided into three types, which are monocrystalline silicon cells, polycrystalline silicon cells, amorphous silicon cells. Monocrystalline silicon cells. It is produced from pure silicon. Since this silicon is pure and defect free, the efficiency of cell will be higher. Next, polycrystalline solar cell. It is liquid silicon used as raw material. Polycrystalline silicon was obtained by solidification process. The material contained various crystalline sizes. This efficiency of cell is less than the monocrystalline cell. Next, amorphous silicon is adorned by depositing silicon film on the substrate like glass plate. The layer thickness to less than 1 micrometer. This efficiency of cell is much lower than compared from other two types of the solar cell. Comparison of types of solar cell based on the efficiency. Monocrystalline silicon cells 14 to 17%, polycrystalline silicon cells 13 to 15%, amorphous silicon cells 5 to 7%. Next, advantages of the solar cell. It is clean, no pollution, renewable energy, do not produce noise, wide power handling capabilities, high power to weight ratio, used almost anywhere, long lifetime, it consumes no fuel, so no fuel supply problem. Disadvantages of the solar cell. Main disadvantages of the solar cell is initial cost. And also used silicon, it is very expensive. Solar cell only generate electricity during daytime. To achieve average efficiency, solar cell require large area of land. Production of electricity affect air pollution and weather. Thank you.